Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to disable your story comment on Facebook Lite app. So for example, if you think that okay you will upload, or if you posted a story on your timeline but no one can able to comment on your story, so how can you disable this? Just watch the video till the end, then you'll here you can see add to story. So simply click on add to story. Once you click, then you'll choose any photos or any videos, or you can choose text. So this time I'm going to choose text and write anything like hi, and then you can see the option privacy. Okay, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then here you'll see the bottom corner, bottom part, it's called enable comment. So it's like that everyone can able to comment on your this post or this story. So simply click on like that and it's disabled. So after that no one can able to uh, comment on your this post. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.